Seedance 2.5 is finally here on JXP and I can't wait to test it out. I have already made a video about JXP website. It's a cool platform for creating AI videos and images, and today we will be testing out Seedance 2.5. I will leave the link in the comment section so that you guys can check it out. As you can see on the home page, we can see Seedance 2.5 video generator is already available. Let's click on it and see what we're gonna get. If we compare it with the previous version, which is Seedance 2.0, we can see an increase in video length. With Seedance 2.0, we only get 50 seconds in one go, but the latest version, Seedance 2.5, give us 30 seconds in one go, which is really cool. Here we can see that it has two options. First, we can use a reference image to generate our video, or we can use text to video as well. I'm going to use the first option, which is generating a video using a reference image. I needed a character for this, so I used ChatGPT to create a cyberpunk styled monkey. He looks badass, right? The scene I'm going to create is simple. I want the character to walk towards his car inside his garage. So I added the reference image and wrote this prompt. If you want to mention images according to where you want them to appear, just type @ and select the image like this. As you can see, I'm writing a simple prompt here. Let's see what it can do. After writing the prompt, I set the video length to 10 seconds and then hit generate. Now we have to wait for few seconds for the video to get generated. Our video is finally ready. Let's play it and see how it looks. Wow, that looks really good. I'm really impressed with the video and the sound quality as well as the crazy details. Now let's create one more video as a continuation of this one. For that, I took a screenshot of the last frame and used it as our reference image. I also added the character image just in case. For the second scene, I was thinking that the character could use his keys to transform his car into an even cooler one. After writing the prompt, I set the video length to 15 seconds. Then I hit generate and waited it to do its magic. Our second video is here and let's play it. That really worked. And I loved how it maintained the same character details. Now let's watch both the video together in one go. That's really cool, and I'm pretty much satisfied with the result it gave me, mainly with the image, the video quality and the detailing that it has and the continuity, everything. So make sure to check out Seedance 2.5 on jxp.com. You can find the link in the description or in the pinned comment. I will see you in another video. Until then, keep creating.